Hi. We just want to say thank you. We call ourselves the newbies because we were new to this, but we thank God for everything that was said and done. Now I know how to fix my crown. I know how to walk in wisdom, and I just want to encourage each and every one of you, if you have not experienced this, okay, this is a safe place, and I love it, and I thank God for it. My sister gonna say something.
I thank God for this. This couldn't have come in a more present time in my life. The forbearing is what blessed me tremendously, and the forgiveness, because let me tell you, this helped me. After being married 31 years, I am now learning something new. So guess what? Thank you, Pastor Glenda Hyde, for having this. This was absolutely amazing. Thank you for the safe space to be able to open up and get answers, and not just always just have a bunch of questions. But thank you for being transparent as well in your life, because that's what we need. We need a safe space, and we need people that's saying they're going through as well. And I'm helping. We're going to help each other.
Right.
So thank you.
Thank you. Wife Life 2024.